Oh. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pick a bunch of these mulberries. Trying to see that. I just done this, but I wasn't recording. Dang, mulberry leaf in the eye. There's some really nice mulberries here, and I think the reason I don't get as many mulberries when I get off of work is because the squirrels come and eat all the mulberries. So I don't get my, because there's tons of them on this tree here in the morning. I'm going to show y'all something. Wow. Come here. Wow. Wow. Well, let's see. He's going to put them down for his girls. Look. He picks them out of my hands and puts them down for the hen. One more. And he ate the last one. Smart boy. Awesome, huh? That rooster will pick them out of my hand and put them down for the hens to